Alright, so basically what we did there, we had three solutions. We just showed one. So we picked solution A. It was right here. As you can see, we got the concentration straight off the bottle is 1.0 molar. So from that, we did two calculations. We are assuming that if the pH, or we're finding the pH if it was a strong acid. So basically all you do, you say pH is equal to the negative log of what's off of that bottle. So 1. And it ends up, you get a pH of 0. So if it was a strong acid, you'd have a pH of 0, which makes sense. Now, if we are going to say it's a strong base and find the pH, well, pH you'd get equal to 14 minus pOH. So first thing you have to do is you have to get your pOH and then subtract from 14. So basically what we did there, same deal. The pOH is negative log of OH concentration, and we got it to be 0. So 14 minus 0 equals 14. That makes sense because a strong base should be around 14. Does that make sense? Then what we needed to do is get that actual pH. So we got our solution, we measured the pH with the electrode, and we actually found out that it was 12.7. So it's definitely a base because it's on that side of the scale. And it looks pretty strong too. So basically what we need to do is two things. We can get both the OH concentration and we can get the H plus concentration. So for H plus, you guys know from the equations that we have H plus is equal to 10 to the negative pH. Well, we found our pH here to be 12.7. So 10 to the negative 12.7 gives us 2.0 times 10 to the negative 13 molar. That's a super small number. So that means we have very little H plus in that solution. And H plus is what makes it acidic. Now if we come down and we find the OH concentration now, same deal, basically, except we're subtracting out. We gotta get our pOH first. And to get pOH, it's just 14 minus our pH. So our pH was 12.7, 14 minus 12.7 gives us 1.3. That's our pOH. Now to get OH concentration, all you gotta do is 10 raised to the negative pOH, just like we did with the H plus concentration. So 10 to that negative 1.3 gives us a 0.05 molar solution. That is way more than a 2 times 10 to the negative 13th molar. So OH is what gives us more basicity. We got a lot more OH in there than we do H plus, and that's why we have a way more basic solution.